Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today we are doing my 2023 sunglass collection. I feel like this is a video that I do pretty much every year. So there's obviously things that you've already seen and definitely some possible new, definitely one new addition, but maybe more, I'm not sure. So we have a range of no brand and branded sunglasses. I don't know exact names and stats and everything on all of them, so if you do want more information I can try and find that for you. Just let me know in the comments section down below. But let me get comfortable. In no particular order, let's get straight into it. So this is probably my oldest pair actually. They're Tiffany & Co. They actually don't make this style anymore. I really love this pattern here. They are just so, they're actually really lightweight compared to the ones that I have now. They're quite rounded. These were my absolute go-to for the longest time, and now I feel like the roundness just doesn't suit me. I don't know, let me know what you think, like the rounded cat eye. I'm not sure, but love the sides. When I look for sunglasses, I definitely find I'm drawn to some of the sides a lot, as weird as that sounds. This pair, so this is literally a no brand, nothing pair of sunglasses from Kmart in Australia. From memory, I believe these cost $5. The Tiffany & Co. ones were a gift literally years and years and years ago, so pricing I have no idea. But yeah, these ones were $5. I got these because we were going out on a boat and I just wanted sunglasses that I would not care if I lost or something happened to them. So I actually really like the shape and style of these. So if you're after sunglasses, check out Kmart because super impressed. I really do like them. Next, so this is a pair of classic Celines. If you're into sunglasses, you have Celines, like you just do. So really just classic, really oversized, which you will see most of my collection is oversized. I just feel like they suit my face the most, but you let me know. So I really like the gradient on these as well, really nice. Next we have the Gucci Star Tortoise Shell sunglasses. So these were something that were very much I don't know why they come up so light in the camera, but these were a purchase that weren't really thought about because I don't know, I'm not that into them anymore. I don't wear them a lot, or I never did, because I was scared these were gonna come out, yeah, which would completely ruin the look. So as you'll see, I have a mix of tortoiseshell and black sunglasses there. I don't do like other colors or anything too crazy, but I do like them. The Louis Vuitton, I believe, also pricing. I think the Celines were around the $500, and I think the Gucci's were around, again, $500 or $600, I'm not sure. So this is the Louis Vuitton Grand Belza, I believe. So super just plain and simple. They do have little LVs here. I think they're super worn. Actually, no, they don't. Did they? Wait. Yeah, it does say LV really, really faintly on these little things. But as soon as I tried these on, I was obsessed. Just so oversized, simple, love the edge. So yeah, these ones retail currently for $7.45. I don't think they've gone up in price. I don't think so. When you find the perfect sunglasses, you have to get both pairs. So I actually do have them in the tortoise shell. Now these, Again, I don't know why they show up so different on camera. They're really dark and muted, the tortoiseshell. But again, so these are the same, the Grand Belzer. That is probably butchering it so badly. And they're $745. And the latest pair is the famous Hailey Bieber, sunglasses, which are so much smaller than all of the others. So these are like the classic cat eye, but really dark and really different, as you can tell, to everything else I have. But I don't know, something about them, I really liked it. So these ones retail for $600, I think, in Australia. And yeah, these are like the in sunglasses at the moment. And that is my collection currently for 2023. So let me know your favorite pair. Let me know if you think there's any particular pair that's out there that you think I might be drawn to and really like. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.